USA or UK, which is better to study abroad? Are you stuck deciding between the USA and UK for your studies? I get it. It's a massive decision, right? You want to choose a country which not only gives you the top notch education but also provides you with future opportunities. But with so many factors to consider, like cost, work opportunities, and quality of education, I know it can be a little overwhelming. So, today, let's break it down for you. By the end of the video, you'll know which country is better for you. Let's get started. Number 1, innovation and research opportunities. If you're looking for a course that requires innovation and research opportunities, you should definitely go for the USA. It offers the most funding for research and hosts the largest opportunities for research work. Most cutting edge opportunities also comes from the US. If you want to research in fields like engineering or biotechnology, USA is the better choice. The USA gets 1 point while UK gets 0. Second, cost of education. This is a crucial factor for many students. The cost of education in UK is considerably lower compared to in the US. For example, a master degree in US can range from 40 to 70-80 lakhs and can even go up to 1.5 crore rupees. While in the UK, the same degree might only cost you 25 to 40 lakhs, so UK is much cheaper than US. In this case, UK gets 1 point and USA gets 0 points. Third, work opportunities while studying. If you want to work part-time while studying, UK provides much more flexibility than the US. You can work almost anywhere in UK while US has much stricter restrictions. So if funding is an issue for you and you plan to cover most of your expenses through part-time work, UK is a much better choice for you. So UK gets 1 more point, making it 2 for UK and 1 for USA. Number 4, health. I know as students we do not think about health, but it's crucial. In the USA, healthcare can be incredibly expensive, with bills going up to thousands of dollars even with minor services. While the quality of healthcare in the USA is much superior, it is far expensive too. The UK, on the other hand, has NHS, which provides subsidized healthcare for students. So, if I have to give a point here, the UK now has 3 points while US has 1. Fifth point, education flexibility. The USA offers a lot more flexibility in education as compared to the UK. You can mix different fields in the USA to make a custom degree for yourself. For example, you could combine business with law, healthcare, or engineering. This kind of flexibility allows you to explore new and emerging fields like biotechnology, healthcare, finances, etc. Such opportunities are very easily available in the USA but not in UK. So USA gets another point here, making it 3 for UK and 2 for USA. Point 6. Quality of education. When it comes to top ranked university, the USA always dominates. While the UK has prestigious colleges like Oxford, Cambridge, London Business School and the UCL, the USA has a much longer list of top tier universities like Ivy Leagues and other M7 schools. So USA gets another point here, making it 3 for 3. Point 7. Career services. Both USA and UK have career services team which help students connect with employers, improve their resume and guide them in the career choices. However, the team of USA is much more robust as compared to the UK. Point 8. Scholarship opportunities. While there are plenty of scholarships in both countries, USA provides better scholarships as compared to the UK. And when I say scholarships, I do not mean small amounts like $2,000 or $3,000, but real scholarship that covers substantial portion of your tuition fees. So if you have a strong profile, USA is a better option to secure a scholarship. The USA gets another point, making it 5 to 3 in the favor of USA. Ninth, visa process. The visa process for UK is significantly simpler as compared to the US. The US visa process, especially for the H-1B visa, can be quite complicated. In contrast, the UK provides 2-year post-study work visa with a clear pathway to permanent residency after 5 years. The UK gets a point here, making it 5 to 4. Number 10. Long-term job opportunity. Currently, the job opportunities in the US are better as compared to the UK, especially for 2024 prospects. There's a misconception that UK does not have job opportunities which isn't true. But the US still offers a wider range of opportunities as compared to the UK. So the USA gets another point, ending the comparison at 6 to 4. In conclusion, it's a close call between the USA and the UK, but still USA gets an edge on UK, especially for students looking for research opportunities, scholarships, and long term career flexibility. Now that you've got a clear picture, what's next? Well, if you're still on the fence or need personalized advice for which university or course suit your goal, whether it's the UK, USA, Canada, or any other country, we are here to help. Want help choosing the right institute? Need to know which university suits you the best? Curious about scholarship options? Let's get chatting. Book a free consultation call with us. Link will be in the description. And we'll guide you step by step for free. But if you've already chosen the best country for you, do let me know in the comment section.